Right, today we're going to look at this snake attack. Now, I haven't come across these before, but they're supposed to be lights that go all the way around, but very few of them are lighting up. I believe this battery's in it already, so let's switch it on.
Snake attack! Press yellow to select the mode. Press green to start.
Okay. Now there's a light there. So I said press yellow.
Snake attack! Press yellow to select the mode. Press solo mode.
Okay, what do you do now?
Level 1, 4, snakes.
Okay, without the lights, it's a little bit difficult. Okay, let's get inside it and see what we've got. And alright, there's that out the way. All the screws are going to come out. There we go. Right, well, there's not much to that at all, is there? These are all just the LEDs. Okay, let's put the batteries in and see which ones are working and which are not.
Snake attack! Press yellow to select the mode. Press green to start.
Let's get these out of the way. So these are the only two lights that's working. So I wonder if one of these is not working and it's stopping the rest of them if they're all in series. What I do like is that they've used the yellow, green, red and blue colours, so you actually know where the things are supposed to go. What I am wondering is what's controlling this? You know, the stuff for the voice and all that, where is that? It has to be a PCB or something somewhere. So there are some components underneath here. You might you might be able to see that capacitor there. There's a couple of ICs. How do we get this off of here? Yeah, so this bit here was connected directly onto that battery terminal. Okay. And there it goes. That is it. Okay, we'll get that under the microscope. We've got a couple of capacitors, a couple of resistors. And then slightly further down, we've got a couple of transistors, a Y1. Right, we'll just test these transistors. What I thought I'd do is power it up and see if we're getting any voltage on any of these. And then I think that might lead us back to where we need to be. So it's either a connection issue or it's one of the LEDs has failed. Now I think, although I'm not 100% sure, but I think that this is the first LED in the chain, and you may not be able to see that. I don't know if I'm going to be able to zoom in enough. Right, I can show you here. So you can see the little arrow which points the direction of the data travel, so it can only go in that direction. You can see it comes round here. Let's check the voltage. So we'll power it up.
Snake attack. Press yellow to select a mode. Pass and play. Multiplayer. High score.
Right, whatever. So blue to start.
Level 1. Snake attack. Press
So
yellow
let's
to
have it.
select a mode. Press solo mode.
Right.
Level 1.
So we're
Snakes.
getting voltage there. Looking at this, the voltage is getting through to all of the LEDs, but no data. So there's a tiny little hole there, which I think goes to the data line for there, and that data line goes straight down to here. That goes down to that pin there. Yeah. So does that input. So we need to find out if that data line goes there. It does. Okay. So this is the data into the LEDs, and that goes from there right down to this pin on here, which is not good news, because potentially it could mean that this IC is faulty. We know that this is the speech chip and the speech is working, just not the LEDs. So this is where it goes across to the data line. So it comes from here, goes through this through hole onto the other side. Now there's only seems to be 3 connections to these LEDs. So you look at the slightly darker areas. So this is the middle one that comes from here, and it goes into this pin. And then I think this one, so this is like the data in, and then this is the data out. It comes down to here. I mean, these 2 are working, which suggests that this one might be faulty. What I think I might do is jumper from the data up to this one.
You reached level 1. Snake attack. Press yellow to select a mode. Press green to start.
Let's reset it. Oh no, that's come off. It's so brittle. So what we saw there was, yeah, some of these were working. It looks like for certain I've blown up at least this one. So let's try it on here. Don't know if you can.
Level 1. 4 snakes.
Yep. Can you see that? It's one of these, I think it's actually this one that's gone. So the data's going into that. That's why these 2 were working. The data was going in there, but it wasn't coming back out of it again. I'm going to have to go and order some of these because I don't have any. And then I think we'll have to replace these 3. Okay, so we're going to take this first one off that we know is faulty. I can't use hot air for this, obviously. But what we'll do is we'll put some flux on. I'm going to test that the data is getting to there. So from in, we should go to here. Okay, and then from there, it should go to any shot. That's fine. And then VDD, I think this is, and VSS. Okay, so that's fine. What I'm thinking is that if I power this up, we'll get the bench power supply on this. What we should see when we power it up is at least this light coming on. So let's see.
Snake attack. Press yellow to select a mode. Press green to start.
Okay, so we're seeing these two, so that's good. So this one was faulty. So now we're thinking that this one is faulty. So we have to replace that one. And when we put the data onto this one, we did see quite a few more of them going. So let's do the next one. And let's see what we get this time. Hopefully a few more lights. Here goes.
Snake attack. Press yellow to select a mode. Press green to start.
Okay, that wasn't what I was expecting. Let's remove this second one. Okay, let's try this and see if we've got any further. So we think the second one was faulty as well, so there's no data going through it.
Snake attack.
Oh,
Press
yes.
yellow to select a mode. Press green to start.
So we're getting down to here. It's a bit further on. I think we've got another one faulty yet. I wonder if this one is faulty in the same way that that one was, that the data's coming in, but there's nothing coming out. So we'll replace that one as well. Here goes.
Snake attack.
Yes!
Press yellow to select a mode. Press green to start.
Well, would you look at that? I think we now just have to put it back together again. Okay, we're all back together again.
Snake attack. Press yellow
Right.
to select a mode. Solo mode.
There we go. Right, let's see how we do.
Level 1, 4 snakes.
So if you have to get it right on the first block, and that means I didn't get it. Ah, too early. So I lost a life. That's 2. Ah, no. Come on. I keep missing it. Oh, goodness me. So I lost 2 lives on that side. Oh, goodness me. I've got 2. How have I got 2 snakes now? Thanks. So I haven't actually seen it switch between those two that often, and I've never actually seen it get to 2 snakes on level 1. Right, let's try this. I'm sure I can do this. It's 1, 2.
Level 2, 4 snakes.
Okay.
3, 4.
Right, so the first go through there, I wasn't watching it on here, I was watching it on the screen, which is just to my right. And I think there's a little bit of a delay, which is why I wasn't getting it right on the light. So you have to press the button when the first square is on the light in order to count getting rid of the snake. And as you saw, it changes round and it gets more difficult the longer you take to complete the 4. When you get up to level 6, it then splits into 2 and becomes more and more difficult. I think we'll leave it there for today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe if you wish to, and thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.